This is so satisfying. Oh my god. I'm so proud of myself. How do I look? Not bad. What's up, y'all? I don't know if you can hear from the background, but it's raining pretty heavily out there. I hope it doesn't ruin the audio. But today, we are doing the heater core bypass for the 1JZ. So you can see over here, and I got a whole bunch of stuff over here. Oh yeah. Let's get it. Alright, so what you're looking at right now is the back end of the 1JZ. Today we're connecting this water port to this water port. This is the water outlet. You see the hard pipe goes all the way to the front. Yeah, this is the outlet from the block, and this is the inlet for the head. And since the JZ is a closed deck engine, we can't just block this. We have to maintain the correct water flow pretty much. Alright, so I got a whole bunch of stuff from O'Reilly's. I'm going to show you one by one. First of all, it's this one. And then we got this one. Alright. And these two. Pretty much, they're pretty much the same thing. The purpose for these is to connect those hoses together. This one is plastic, this one is metal. I just decided to get both. I'm not going to use the black plastic one right now because I want to just keep it just in case something broke on the track. I can connect the hose real quick. I'm going to use the metal one because this one is definitely more durable. And you may ask, why don't I just use one long hose to connect these two ports? The answer is I am a weird person. Yeah, you can say that because I do not like how like the loop that has no bend, it's just a smooth loop. I'm pretty sure some of y'all will like it, but I don't. It just weirds me out. Yeah, so I decided to use something that has more like an actual bend. I don't know how to explain it. You can find a hose that's long enough, probably designed for some other cars, in O'Reilly's, AutoZone, whatever parts shop that you go to. It'll be the perfect length as long as they are 5/8 of an inch inner diameter. As long as the length is enough and you're not pinching the hose, you'll be fine. You really don't have to get these exact parts to do the heater core bypass. Also, this applies to pretty much any car on the market. If you want to do a heater core bypass, the best way is to connect the outlet and the inlet instead of just block it off. This reminds me one of the best things about an LS, because I believe all you need to do the heater core bypass on an LS is a U-shaped hose. That's it. Like, and the two ports are right next to each other. This thing is like, this one points the other way and that one points to that way. Yeah, kind of annoying, but I'm gonna do that right now. So yeah, follow me along. Grab some snack, get some drinks, make a tea or something. All right, so the first one is the 1A700. This is a U-shaped one. I don't know what it's designed for. I literally went through the entire website because I knew what shape of the hose I wanted, so I just went for that shape. So I'm gonna put it over here like this. As you can see, it's kind of too long, so I'm gonna trim it. I'm using my right hand to hold the mic right now, so I can't use the other hand to mark it, but I'm gonna mark it later on, just over there, and cut it. So that's that. And this side, I'm gonna use this one. I'm blocking the entire view. Yep, I'm using this one to connect over here. It's kind of off center, but it's okay. And bring it back up over here. Yeah, that should be good. What I'm gonna use now is a sheet metal cutter. It's a straight sheet metal cutter. I'm pretty sure it's gonna get the job done. We shall see. Don't think this is the cleanest tool to use. You probably can see the edge is kind of rough, so I don't think this is the best tool for this job. I think I'm gonna switch to the blade right now, just to clean up the edge a little bit. Cause although this is not gonna affect the the durability of the hose, but it's definitely gonna trigger my OCD. So yeah. Alright, sweet. This worked a little bit better than I expected. The edge is relatively clean. It's not as clean as I hoped it would be, but this will do. Alright, let's put it on. I think I'm gonna have to lube it up a little bit. I just spray some WD-40 on the towel. One, using WD-40, you can clean the stuff up a little bit. And the second one is obviously lubrication. Let's see if it'll slide up. There we go. Where do you think you're going? There it is. Alright, perfect. So, this is the first half of the tube, and we're gonna break this open. Actually, you know what? I did it wrong. I'm gonna leave this for later on. Let's do this side first. We have to move the ground cable a little bit, probably make it point sideways. Yeah, it definitely can't point up anymore. Again, a little bit of WD-40. I think I might need more lube. Ooh, yeah, definitely. Shit. A little bit of the multi-purpose lube. Just a dab. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but oh my god, I lubed up the wrong end. It should be this end. Yeah. Alright, that's a lot easier. All the way down. Voila. Alright, sweet. Now we just gotta cut over here, down. Who wants to be cut first? Man, now that I have the lube, I want to lube up everything. I'm lubing up the whole blade. That works. Ooh! Ooh! Look at that! Look at that! Hey, hey, I like it. Hold on. Yo, this is so clean. I like this. Oh, this satisfies my OCD so much. Oh. Oh. Ah. Hold on. Come this way. Yeah. All right. Ooh, I love this. I love this so much. I'm so glad I'm doing this. You have no idea how much this satisfies me. Oh my god, I love this thing. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. Oh my god, this is almost like OEM looking, you know what I'm saying? Oh, this is so clean. Things like this satisfies me. Oh my god, I love it. Alright. All right, let me calm down a little bit. Kind of getting out of control here. Anyways, look at this. Like this tube literally matches with this tube. I think I'm gonna have to clean it up or respray it some one thing or another because this thing is bothering me. I'm gonna change this tube too. You know what? Might as well. I'm gonna do it right now.